Now, within this navigation component, we want to be able to navigate to different pages within our Nuxt application. So as of right now, we have two locations where we want to do some navigation, and those are represented by these anchor tags. And for the sake of demonstrating how to navigate inside of this application, we're also going to be adding another page, which is going to be an about page. So we can just duplicate down this list item within our UL, and then we can just change this to about. And for our about page, we need to create a page inside of our pages folder. So we can create a new file and we can call this about.view, and then we can just scaffold out our view template. And now that we have our template all set up, we can head over to GitHub and we can copy and paste in the markup that we're going to need for this about page. So we can head over to the pages folder, we can select on about, and then we just want to copy in this main tag and then paste that in here inside of our about page. Now, to navigate between pages within a Nuxt application, it's pretty similar to how you would do it within Vue. Now, instead of using the router link component, we use something called NuxtLink, and essentially this is just a wrapper of the router link component. So for this first list item, let's convert this to use the NuxtLink component. So we can remove the A and the href, and we can say NuxtLink like this. Now, to navigate to a certain page, we can use what is called the to prop. So we can say to instead of this equal to, and we just want this to navigate to the home page, which we can just say slash. And we can do the same thing for the about page. So let's remove the href and the anchor tag, and we can replace this with a NuxtLink component. And then we can set the to prop on here to be slash about, because as you recall with file-based routing, it goes to the route that is associated with the page name. So for the home page, which is indexed, it's just going to be slash. And then for the about page, since we called it about, it's going to be slash about. And lastly, we just want to convert our logo to link up to our home page when you click on this. So again, we're going to replace the anchor tag and the href with a NuxtLink component. And then this is just going to navigate to the home page. So we'll say to, and then we'll just say slash. And now back here inside of the application, and I'm going to zoom in really quickly to make this a little bit easier to see. If we select on either our home tag or about, we can see we're going to get navigated to the about page that we just created. And if we click on home, that's going to navigate us back to our home page. And if we go back to the about page and we click on our logo, that is also going to navigate us back to our home page. And if we open up the inspect menu, you can see that for the current active route, we're going to have the classes such as router-link active and router-link exact active, which is what we would normally have when we were using the router-link tag for the current active route. So you can use these classes to then style the active route here inside of the application accordingly.